Start by grating the carrots using a grater, or you can also use a food processor for the same. Set this aside, and either in a traditional pressure cooker or an instant pot, start by melting your ghee. So if you are using traditional pressure cooker, set the flame to medium, and in your instant pot it should be under the saute mode. Once the ghee is nicely melted and hot, roast the cashew nuts until they turn golden brown in color. Once roasted, take the cashews out onto a separate plate, and in the same pot add in the grated carrots and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns soft in texture. Do stir the carrots every now and then to avoid burning or it sticking to the base of the pan. So after sauteing it for 2 to 3 minutes, add in the milk and the condensed milk, stir it and bring it to a boil. Sauteing the carrots in ghee not only enriches the flavor but also helps in releasing an amazing aroma which elevates the entire dish. All you have to now do is bring the mixture, that is the milk mixture, to a boil, and once it starts boiling, cancel the saute mode, put the lid on, went to sealing position, and then pressure cook it for 3 minutes. After 2 minutes of natural pressure releasing, do a quick release to release any additional steam, and once the pin drops, open the lid immediately. After opening the lid, stir it for additional 3 minutes until all the liquid is totally absorbed by the carrots and is evaporated and the mixture turns thicker in consistency. In a traditional pressure cooker, follow the same steps except that cook it for 1 whistle and then lower the flame to low and cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes, and then switch the gas off and allow the pressure to release naturally. Finally, add in the cardamom powder and the roasted cashew nuts and give a final stir, and your delicious Gajar ka Halwa, aka Indian carrot pudding, is all ready to be served. Today we will serve it differently in a shot glass, for which first I am gonna grease the brim of my shot glass with some ghee and then dunk it into a coarsely grounded pistachio powder. And then you can also stick some additional dried rose petals for a color contrast, totally up to you. Now for even filling and so that everything looks smooth, I'm gonna fill the Gajar ka Halwa using a piping bag. You can of course use a spoon too. So fill it to 3/4 of the level and then top it with some softly whipped cream. I have flavored the cream with rabdi essence, the one similar to which I had used in our gulab jamun cake. So it's the same cream, just whipped it to soft peaks and not to stiff peaks. And then garnish it with some pistachios, dried rose petals, saffron and some edible silver foil, and a delectable, just showstopper, stunning dessert is ready to be served for any occasion, be it Navratri or Diwali. Just make sure that your Gajar ka Halwa is cooled down a bit before you assemble it in your shot glasses and top it with whipped cream, or else the cream would start melting away and then it won't taste good. Of course, you can serve the Gajar ka Halwa hot as in a traditional manner like we always do, alongside some vanilla ice cream. That combination is ultimate too. But definitely impress your guests with these Gajar ka Halwa shots this Diwali, and I'm sure everyone will be blown away. If you like this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe to Spices and Flavors for more such dessert and baking related recipes. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.